Flintshire is a fantastic area for inward investment at the moment. If you look at the opportunities around organisational growth here, so you look at some of the projects of Shot and Mill, at Uniper, at Toyota, and you look at some of the decarbonisation initiatives that are ongoing, we have real potential for economic growth enabled by investment, and that being clean growth. So I guess taking a leading step forwards for the UK.
We are doing a project called Flintshire Fund, which is helping businesses ultimate aim to get a carbon reduction action plan, 80% funded through the grant and 20% from the business. I work really closely with the business development team, and they've been great in helping us get the grant out to the local businesses.
The business development team here with Flintshire have been fantastic in enabling, I guess, an awful lot of the stakeholder engagement and the networking. So if we look at the Decarbonisation Forum, they were formative in enabling that initial kind of outreach and the initial growth of that, but ongoing they provide that conduit between industry, between organisations, between investors, really kind of knitting together all of the operations that are ongoing.
Wagtail is based in Flintshire, but we work all over the UK and overseas as well. Our relationship at Wagtail with the business development team in Flintshire goes back a long way. Wagtail was formed 21 years ago, and the advice and guidance I received from the team early on was invaluable. And as the business has grown, there are new challenges. We call upon the team to give us the advice that we need in order to grow and look after our staff and service the needs of our clients.
Well, there's so much going on in Flintshire, and a big thing for us was they have a business development team, and we've had a long relationship with them now, but they were so supportive about getting us moved in, making contacts with us, and just kind of understanding what businesses need.
As a company that's growing, we need some assistance. We're looking at going to a more global operation. What we found with business development is the outside knowledge they're bringing into us to assist us in growing. So it's that support, I think, where we're really getting the benefit.
The business development team really know the employee engagement team, and whenever I have new staff that come to site, they create links for us to go and meet with employers when they're coming into the region to try and explain to them, look, this is what Flintshire offers, this is what the college offers, this is as a region what we offer for you as a business. For us, it's about making sure that we're supporting the local economy, keeping the skills within the region, and just basically giving all the school children and the students all the options that Flintshire's got to offer.
The team are fantastic, and they help businesses 100%.
You could not put a price on the value they offer.
We know there's a lot of investment in North Wales, and there's a lot of interest in North Wales, but we've got to work strategically and operationally to make sure that that inward investment comes to the area, and without these teams and without this collaboration, it just wouldn't happen.